commercial use induction cooker. We have many kinds of commercial use in induction cooker. The maximum 5 kilowatt, and this one is 350 watts, 3.5 kilowatts, right? Okay, this one we make for Australia market. This is Australia SAA plug, and the cable have passed the SAA certificate. Okay, thank you. So I just use the water boiler stainless steel oil to put here. This one maximum is 3.5 kilowatt on power. Here is 106. I can choose the temperature. Temperature 180. This up to 220. Like this 240. Okay, this I can set. So now I know it so high, 150. And the time maximum is 180 minutes. 180. 1, 2, no, here, timer. 5 minutes, 10, 15. Okay, now I set 15. This control panel has a memory function. When I set 220 temperature degree, 220 degree, and the timer, just now I set 15, it will remember here. So just keeping the temperature is going up. Here power. So if I don't want to use this one, I can change. If I think my setting is wrong, I want to make it correct, I can turn off and turn again. It will go back 180 degree, 220. So each time, you see, each time it also can 20 to make a step. It have 1 to 10 step. Like this to 300. Go down. So maximum the temperature is go to 300 degrees Celsius. Okay. And the timer 5, 10, 20, 30, 40 like this. Okay. Going up. So quite easy, right? And this is the maximum is 3.5 kilowatt. We also have the 5 kilowatt. It's so far to boil water. Oh, quite easy, quite fast. It's already have some. Okay, I tell you one thing. If I take it out, here you hear E1. It will remind you, because this induction cooker cannot take it out this pan or boiler anyone. If you don't put anyone here, just take it out. It will stop and tell you, remind you. Okay, so should be put here. Okay, now I don't want to. Okay, I stop. This area is very hot, cannot touch your hand, okay, safety. And if you don't put any pan here, it cannot work like this. So it's quite easy. And I show you, okay, I turn off. This induction cooker has 2 fans outside. It's to make the hot air, blow out the hot air to make sure inside the induction cooker heating element is more safety. Because this one, increase the temperature is so fast. Okay. Yes, I'll show you. Have two plates to make the hot air out, right? And this one induction cooker model CD101. Okay. So this net is a lot easy to move out on your table. It's just here. It cannot move. The body holds stainless steel. And maybe some customer want to know how length of this one. I show you. Yeah, here. 34 cm, about 13 inches, 13.5 inches. Now here, this heating plate maybe. Heating plate is about 31 cm, 12 inches. This is same. 29. 11.5 inches. So that's it. 12 cm high. And the package is so small. Okay, so today we prepare all the machine to introduce to you is finish. It's going to finish here. Any question? Welcome to contact our ITOP kitchen.